everyone. Welcome back to the J&May English Podcast. I'm May.
And I'm Mr. J. Today, we're solving a mystery.
A mystery? What mystery?
The mystery of look and see. Many learners use them interchangeably, but they're actually quite different.
Oh, I do that all the time. I say, I'm looking the movie, or see at this picture.
Exactly. And by the end of today, you'll never make that mistake again.
That's a big promise, Mr. J.
It is, but here's the thing. These two words are everywhere, in daily conversations, in movies, in songs. If you mix them up, native speakers will notice.
So it's not just grammar, it's about sounding natural?
Precisely, and that's why mastering this today matters so much.
Okay, I'm ready. But first, if you want weekly English transformation tips like this, hit that subscribe button right now.
Trust me, every week we break down confusing topics into super simple lessons.
All right, Mr. J, so where do we start?
Let's start with the most important difference. See is passive. Look is active.
Passive? Active? What does that mean?
Great question. Passive means it happens without effort. You don't try to see, you just see. Your eyes are open and you see things around you.
Oh, like right now I see my coffee cup on the table. I'm not trying, it's just there.
Perfect example. You didn't plan to see it. Your eyes just naturally noticed it.
Okay, so see is automatic. What about look?
Look is active. It means you're directing your eyes somewhere on purpose. You're making an effort.
Oh, so if I say, look at my coffee cup, you're telling me to focus your eyes on it.
Exactly. You're asking me to pay attention to something specific.
This is making sense. So see is like no effort, just happens. Look is like I'm choosing to focus.
You got it. Here's a simple trick for you. Think of look as having a target. You look at something.
Wait, so I always need at after look?
Most of the time, yes. You look at a picture. You look at the sky. You look at your phone.
But with see, I don't need at?
Correct. You see a picture. You see the sky. You see your phone. No at needed.
Okay, let me test this. I see a bird in the tree. That's correct, right?
Perfect.
And if I want to tell you to focus on it, I say, look at that bird in the tree.
Brilliant. You're getting this fast.
I'm trying. But wait, Mr. J, sometimes I hear people say look without at, like, look, it's snowing.
Ah, sharp observation. When look is alone, like an exclamation, you don't need at. You're just grabbing someone's attention.
Oh, so look means pay attention, but look at the snow means focus your eyes on the snow specifically.
Exactly. The first is general attention. The second is specific direction.
This is vital, so I can't just swap these words whenever I want.
No, you can't. And here's another key point. See is often used for understanding, not just vision.
Understanding? How?
Think about this sentence. I see what you mean.
Oh, you're not using your eyes there. You mean you understand.
Precisely. See can mean understand in many contexts, but look never means that.
So I can't say, I look what you mean?
No, that sounds very strange. Only see works for understanding.
Okay. So see has two meanings, vision and understanding, but look is only about directing your eyes.
You're on fire today, May.
I am, but let me ask our listeners something. Quick question for everyone.
Oh, this should be good.
Pause the podcast right now and answer this in the comments. Which is correct? I can look you or I can see you?
And tell us why you chose that answer.
We'll wait. Take your time, think about it, and type your answer below.
All right. Hopefully everyone's thinking. May, while they're answering, let's go deeper.
Yes, I want more examples.
Let's use a real-life situation. Imagine you're walking down the street.
Okay, I'm walking.
Your eyes are open. You see buildings, you see people, you see cars. You're not trying, you just see them.
Right, because see is automatic.
Now suddenly, your friend points and says, "Look at that cute dog."
Oh, so now I'm actively directing my eyes to the dog.
Exactly. You weren't looking at the dog before. You might have seen it, but you weren't focused on it. Now you're looking at it.
So I can see many things at once, but I can only look at one thing at a time?
That's a brilliant way to put it. Your eyes see everything in your field of vision, but you look at what you choose to focus on.
Wow. Okay, so if I'm in a classroom, I see all the students, but I look at the teacher when she's speaking.
Perfect example. You're really getting this now.
I am. But Mr. J, what about watch? Isn't that similar to look?
You're jumping ahead. We'll cover watch in part 2.
Oh, you're leaving me on a cliffhanger.
Just a little suspense. But before we move on, let's recap the golden rules we've learned so far.
Yes, I need to make sure I've got this locked in.
Rule number 1, see is passive. It happens automatically without effort.
I see things around me all the time without trying.
Rule number 2, look is active. You direct your eyes on purpose.
I look at something when I want to focus on it.
And rule number 3, look usually needs at after it, but see doesn't.
Look at the sunset, see the sunset. Got it.
And rule number 4, see can also mean understand, but look cannot.
I see what you mean, Mr. J.
Perfect use of it.
Okay, I feel so much more confident already, but I know there's more to learn.
There is, and we're just getting started.
All right, Mr. J, I've been waiting. You mentioned watch earlier. How is it different from look and see?
Good memory. Watch is actually closer to look because it's active. You choose to watch something.
So it's not automatic like see?
Exactly. But here's the key difference. Watch implies duration. You watch something that moves or changes over time.
Oh, so I watch a movie, not look at a movie.
Perfect. Movies have movement. They take time. You watch them.
And I watch TV, watch a football game, watch my dog play in the park?
Exactly. All of those involve movement and time.
But what about a picture? That doesn't move.
Right. So you look at a picture, not watch a picture.
Oh, so look is for still things and watch is for things that move or change?
That's a great way to remember it. You look at a photo, but you watch a video.
This is so clear now. But wait, can I say see a movie?
Yes, you can. See a movie means you went to the cinema or you experienced the movie. It's about the general experience.
So, I saw a great movie yesterday is correct?
Absolutely. But while you're in the cinema, you're watching the movie.
Oh, so see is more about the whole experience and watch is about the action of viewing it?
Exactly right. You're really mastering this, May.
I'm trying. Okay, let me test myself with some sentences.
Go ahead.
Yesterday, I looked at some old photos.
Perfect. Photos are still images.
Then I watched a documentary about dolphins.
Excellent. Documentaries have movement and duration.
And I saw my neighbor outside when I opened the window.
Brilliant. You didn't plan to see her. It just happened.
Yes, I'm getting this. But Mr. J, what about expressions like see you later or look forward to?
Ah, great question. These are fixed expressions or idioms. They don't follow the normal rules.
So I can't change them?
No, you can't. See you later is fixed. You can't say look you later.
That sounds so weird.
It does. And look forward to means you're excited about something in the future.
Like, I look forward to the weekend.
Perfect. You can't say, I see forward to the weekend.
So with idioms, I just have to memorize them?
Unfortunately, yes, but there aren't too many. The most common ones are see you later, look forward to, see eye to eye, and look on the bright side.
See eye to eye means to agree with someone, right?
Exactly. We don't see eye to eye on this topic means we disagree.
And look on the bright side means stay positive?
Yes, focus on the good aspects of a situation.
These are really useful, but they're totally different from the basic rules we learned.
They are. That's why idioms are tricky. You can't translate them directly.
Okay, so for idioms, I memorize, but for regular usage, I follow the rules. See is passive, look is active with at, and watch is for movement over time.
You've summarized it perfectly. Here's one more simple trick for you.
I'm ready.
When you're confused, ask yourself, am I making an effort or is it just happening?
Oh, if I'm making an effort, I use look or watch.
Right. And if it's just happening naturally, you use see.
This is such a helpful way to remember.
I'm glad it's clicking for you. Now let's practice with some real-life scenarios.
Yes, I love practical examples.
Imagine you're at a restaurant. The waiter brings your food. What do?
I see my food.
Yes, it arrives and you automatically see it. But then,
Oh, I look at it to check if it's what I ordered.
perfect. You're actively examining it now.
And if there's a TV in the restaurant showing a football game,
What would you do?
I watch the game while I eat.
Excellent. You've got all 3 words correct in one scenario.
I'm on a roll. Give me another one.
Okay, you're walking in a park. There are trees, people, birds, everywhere.
I see all of them because my eyes are open.
Right. But then someone says, look at that beautiful sunset.
So I look at the sunset specifically.
And if there are children playing soccer nearby?
I watch them play if I'm interested.
Perfect. You're using all 3 naturally now.
This feels so good. I finally understand the difference.
And that understanding will make your English sound so much more natural.
I know our listeners are feeling the same way.
I hope so. Now, let's do a final recap of all the golden rules.
Yes, let's lock this in.
Golden rule number 1. See is passive and automatic, no effort required.
My eyes are open and I see things around me.
Golden rule number 2. Look is active and requires at for specific targets.
I look at something when I want to focus on it.
Golden rule number 3. Watch is active and used for things that move or change over time.
I watch movies, sports, and anything with action.
Golden rule number 4. See can also mean understand.
Like, I see what you mean.
And golden rule number 5. Some expressions are fixed idioms. Just memorize them.
See you later, look forward to, and see eye to eye.
Perfect summary, May.
I feel like a completely different English speaker now.
That's the power of understanding the small differences.
And I know our listeners feel the same way.
Before we finish, we have one final question for everyone.
Yes, comment challenge time.
Write in the comments, make one sentence using look, one using see, and one using watch.
And make them about your daily life. We want to see your creativity.
We'll read them and give you feedback.
So don't be shy. Share your sentences below.
And remember, if you found this helpful, subscribe for weekly English lessons.
We break down confusing topics every single week.
Thanks for learning with us today.
See you in the next episode. And yes, see is correct here because it's a fixed expression.
Exactly. Until next time, keep practicing.